Hello to all my artsy friends. I have some really cute kitchen and dining room DIYs for you today. These are neutral colors, so they will go with any decor, and they're so easy. Anyone can make these, so let's get started on the first one. I recently found these small dishes in the Target dollar spot. They were only $1 each, and they came in a couple different shapes. These are just the right size to be coasters, so I taped off one section on each. My tape overlapped in one spot, so I used an X-Acto knife to trim off that extra piece. I am wanting a warm brown for one half of these because I want to paint it with a wood-looking texture. I used a foam brush and also a bristle brush and kept the brush strokes going in the same direction. I didn't blend the paints together too well so I could get the streaks going through, which gives it that faux wood look. I want to do black splatter paint on the white section, so I'm finding a brush that is pretty stiff. You can see that these two brushes look really similar, but one is much stiffer than the other. I took some black acrylic paint and mixed it with a little water until I got a consistency that was liquidy, and it seemed like it would do its splatter thing real well. Then I masked off these faux wood sections on my coasters. I find it easiest to use my finger to do this part. I am just flicking the paintbrush, and yes, paint is going everywhere. So you want to make sure that you have a big enough workspace so that the paint doesn't ruin any furniture or carpet or anything important. After the splatter paint dries, you will want to use a clear coat spray paint. This will seal everything in, so when you put on the waterproof Mod Podge, it won't smear. Just make sure to let that clear coat dry really well before putting on the coat of Mod Podge. I think a foam brush works really well for this part. I wanted to make a matching tray, and this will basically be a larger version of the coasters we just made. I thought it would be nice to have for setting snacks out, and I already spray painted a Dollar Tree pizza pan white, and I masked it off, and now I'm painting the faux wood look right onto here. If you're visiting Artsy Cupcake for the first time, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. My name is Maria, and every Friday I share budget-friendly home decor videos with DIYs and inspiration that changes with the season. If you like the sound of being creative, make sure to subscribe and click that little bell, and that way you'll know when my next DIYs get posted. After that dried, I masked it off and did the splatter paint technique on the pizza pan. Since the scale of this is larger than the coasters, I did try to make larger splatter dots so it would be proportionate. A clear coat and Mod Podge, and you have a nice little serving platter. See, I told you these were all super easy. Okay, let's move on to the next project. This will be a decorative sign that will be so cute for the kitchen, or if you have your serving platter out, you could put this sign right next to that. I had seen this little wooden crate at Dollar Tree and I thought it might make a nice sign. I used some white and brown paint and tried to match the color to the other pieces that we made. So right now this is just very brown, right? So how are we gonna make this pop? Well, the contrast of black and white together just always adds a freshness. So let's make some white circles out of this Dollar Tree poster board. I wanna put the word eat on the wooden box, but I am going to give you a few options for how you can do the letters. You could use Dollar Tree poster board and cut out 3 circles. Or you could use these tiny chalkboard signs from Dollar Tree and write the word eat on those with a white paint pen. I have this cool scalloped circle stamp which I've used on several projects, and it will make the circles just the right size. Plus that scalloped edge is so pretty. I had picked up these letter transfers from Dollar Tree and I was excited to try them out. Now, I wasn't sure how easily they would come off of the sheets, but I was pleasantly surprised. I peeled off the backing. Then used a coin to gently push down the letter. Once I peeled it off the sheet, it looked awesome. I will definitely be checking to see if Dollar Tree has any other fonts in these transfer sheets because they were really good. I wanted to tie in the black on this little sign even more, and I thought that these looked a little plain, so I used a Sharpie marker to add a border around the edges. I wanted these to have some dimension, so instead of just sticking them flat onto the crate, I used some buttons to give them a little height. I hope you're inspired to make one of these kitchen DIYs. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing so you can be part of this positive and creative community. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day. Bye.